Hi, I said I'd come back to question 6 dealing with whatever it was we were dealing with, multiplying two brackets and multiplying two brackets together. This is far more complicated than just two brackets. Here I've got, it says question 6 on page 46, write an expression for the yellow area and simplify your answer. Now in the book the yellow area is all this area around here. So all this that I'm trying to shade out but not actually make contact with my pen is all this. In other words, I want to get rid of this little trapezium from this great big trapezium. So just said to you now, these are trapezia. They never said that in the question, but if they didn't say that, it would be impossible to do this. You have to assume these lengths are all parallel. Because I know the formula for baby trapezium and I know the formula for big trapezium. All I've got to do is work out the area of each and then subtract. Easier said than done. This is question 6. It's got a yellow triangle with a bright red exclamation mark in it. So if I feel I've made a mistake, I'll pause and think. So there's no shame in that. Now, area of trapezium. Add up the base and add up the two bases, top base, top bit, bottom bit. Multiply by the height, and there's the height of the big trapezium there, and then divide by 2. Again, what I did before in previous videos, multiply the height by that plus that, and then halve it last of all. So let's just do the big one first. So 5k minus 1 multiplied by 4k plus 2.5. If I need to use a machine, I'm going to get it ready right now. There it is. Just in case I need to do that, I'm allowed to do that. Right, 5k times 4k, 20k squared. That times that. That's going to be plus, I don't know, double up, plus 12.5k's. 2.5 times, yeah, that's right, because half of 5 is 2.5. Right, minus 4k's, minus 2.5. Simplifying, 20k squared, plus, I will use a machine, so I'll be prone to making a mistake if I don't. Yep, plus 8.5 k's, then take away 2.5 at the end. I think that's right. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now I've got to halve it. 10k squared plus 4.25 k's, take away 1.25. Okay, I just divided by 2 throughout. And that's it, that's okay. Now we'll do the little baby one. We'll change colour, I think, but to what? It's got to be nice and bright or nice and dark. Blue's useless. I'll stick to this one. Let's just do the baby one now. I've got k plus 0.3. That's that plus that base multiplied by the height. Doesn't matter which order I do it, so let's just write it here now. K minus 1.5. K times k. K squared. K times 0.3 plus 0.3 k's minus 1.5 times k minus 1.5 k's, and 1.5 times 3 is 4.5 minus 0.45 altogether. Let me just check that on my machine. 1.5 times 0.3, yeah, minus 0.45. Simplifying, k squared, and it's 0.3 take away 1.5. That'll give me minus 1.2 k's. So I did 0.3 minus 1.5 minus 1.2 k's minus 0.45. Again, now divide by 2. It's going to be half k squared minus 0.6 k minus 0.225. Again, no machine required, but you can if you want to. Now, therefore, the area of my shaded part, which is all this, all around the edges here, will be this take away this. Area of, they called it the yellow area. Well, it doesn't look yellow to you because I didn't actually do it. Let's just write out all the bits here. It's going to be all this 10k squared plus 4.25k minus 1.25. Now subtract this, and just to be safe I'm going to put it in a bracket. Half k squared minus 0.6k minus 0.225. Right, k squared take away half a k squared is going to be 9.5k squared. 4.25 k's minus 0.6 k's means add it, so plus 4.85 k's, and minus 1.25 minus 0.225 means add 0.225. So I'm grab my calculator. Minus 1.25 is what it says right there, then plus 0.225, and that gives me minus 1.025, and that I believe is the final answer. What I'm now going to do is look at the answer book, because there's plenty of opportunities to make a mistake there. If it's good, great. If it's bad, I'll come back and correct it in front of you. So I'm now going to stop that. Thank you.